I'm back. Now it would appear that the little car shop has an addition of a center post hoist. See it back in there? See that neat streeter up on a hoist? That look cool? It's not always as it appears though. It's not a hoist. I've been working on these little things for quite some time. You know, you can do all kinds of things with Hot Wheels. Let's see if we can get a closer look. Sort of looks like a single post hoist, don't it? At the little car shop. But it's not. It's not a hoist at all. You know what it is? It's a drawer pull. I'm making knobs. That's right. Knobs. Here's a Nova. A Nova knob. Drawer pulls. Let's go on location. I'll take you on location. Through the house to the computer lab, where the knobs are being utilized. Let's go. Oh, almost knocked everything over. I'm gonna go deep into the bowels of the crazy man's house. Well, not really. There's sunlight. It's Christmas time, as you can tell. What? There's a couple of the knobs right there. See that? Hot Wheel knobs. Got a few more to add. Got some over on this side. Don't mind all the clutter now. Don't mind that the lights aren't turned on either. There's another one right there. It's a shoebox. And that's the Merc. And there's a Willys. And there's an Impala, a GTO, and a 32 sedan delivery. Now let me show you how I'm going to do one of these. Stay tuned for the next episode of Little Car Garage. Animal crackers not included.